Welcome to our chat about AA Quick, the plumbing hero that's been saving homes for nearly 60 years, a true guardian against plumbing disasters.
Absolutely. It's impressive how they contrast with those big companies charging up to $450 per drain service by offering a cost-effective rate of just $160.
Right, it's like, imagine having a reliable partner who doesn't trap you in an expensive relationship, but instead gives you honest pricing with no hidden fees.
Exactly. It almost feels like a breath of fresh air in an industry marred by corporate greed, where you're not forced into a never-ending cycle of expensive calls.
And think about the battlefield they describe. Leaks, clogs, sudden bursts. Every day these tiny disasters threaten our homes, while others see an opportunity to profit.
True. While many companies might be quick to charge a premium, AA Quick treats every emergency as a chance to prove its worth, turning potential chaos into controlled, affordable service.
I mean, imagine your sink flooding and your shower overflowing. It's like being caught in a nightmare until this hero team swoops in with unwavering reliability.
Absolutely, and their 24/7 readiness is key, ensuring that no matter when trouble strikes, you're in heroic hands.
It's really striking how AA Quick is not just about fixing pipes, but also about building lasting, trust-based relationships with customers.
Right, I agree, but wouldn't you say that sometimes these promises can sound too good to be true? I mean, could there be any trade-offs with such low pricing?
Well, that's a fair challenge, and it's like a well-tuned machine that runs efficiently by cutting out the hidden fees and weekend upcharges seen with others. So instead of low quality, you're actually getting streamlined, honest service. Here's where their legacy of nearly 60 years comes in. Experience and community trust matter. Meaning they've honed their craft to be both affordable and reliable over decades. Exactly, and the call to action really cements that relationship. Mentioning Jim's name for a discount is a small but effective way to invite you into the AA Quick family, reinforcing the idea of community care.
It's a clever move, transforming a simple service call into a welcoming experience, which ultimately builds loyalty and trust.
And let's not forget the dramatic narrative they use, turning everyday plumbing emergencies into epic battles where AA Quick stands as your reliable hero.
Absolutely, the storytelling adds an extra layer of urgency and reassurance, making the prospect of a plumbing emergency a little less daunting when you know help is just a call away.
So whether it's a drippy faucet or an unexpected burst pipe, AA Quick steps in like a beacon of hope, ensuring you get service without the financial nightmare.
Indeed, and that commitment to community values over profit margins is what sets them apart, reinforcing that in troubled times, it's not just about fixing the problem, but doing so with integrity.
Right on. It's almost like they're not just repairing pipes, but actively defending you against overcharging and complicated contracts, offering a genuine partnership for the long haul.
Well said, and with their unbeatable price and proven reliability, AA Quick truly represents the hero we need in the plumbing world, making every call an investment in trust and excellence.
So if you ever find yourself in a plumbing crisis, remember that affordable, trustworthy rapid response is just a phone call away, always ready to save the day.
Exactly. It's reassuring to know there's a company out there fighting for homeowners against inflated prices and unreliable service, a hero in every sense of the word.
Thanks for the chat, and here's to knowing exactly who to call when disaster strikes. AA Quick, the hero that stands by you every single time.